Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use absolute reference in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data available for us. For now, we've got this employee payroll sheet. Our task for today is get the percentage of the overall pay of a certain individual. To do so, all we have to do is divide the payroll that an individual received divided by the overall total. Once we do so, press enter. Now we can see that Jack currently has 15% of the whole payroll. Now, to apply this to the other cells, just go ahead and drag the green box on the lower right corner of our cell. But it doesn't work just like that. This is because we haven't used absolute reference yet. What happened is, the second reference just moved one space as well as for the others. To fix this, all we have to do is add the $sign for the H and the 9. This makes sure that our cell is locked on a specific reference, hence calling it the absolute reference. Now if we repeat the drag function that we did earlier, we would be getting the percentage for all of the employees. And there we have it. This is how we use absolute reference in Microsoft Excel.